Today we're gonna do a new gun review but these are not unboxed, so let's get started. First one is my newest gun I got, which is the SPL. It holds 3. I like it because I like the aim. This is my favorite gun, but Dad said it's the same thing as this, but doesn't have it. You might remember on the Christmas video, but the other one's like jamming out. And this also, the thing that's different is it has a different color instead of black. It has a brown, and it's Fortnite, and it says shh because it's silent. And now let's go to the next one. The Turbine. This clip is my most old clip I have. It holds 18 rounds. 18. And then you put a thing. See? Put a blue, white that he got. And then you can jam it out like this, and you can take the bullets off if they're jamming. Yeah, it's Elite 2.0. I only have 2 of them, and let's go to the other one. Next, we have the QUADROT. The QUADROT holds 4, and it's kind of like the quadrant. You pull it back and okay. And the QUADROT also hold. It's a very good weapon. But trick shot. Well, not really a trick shot, but let's move to the next one. We have the KRONOS, which holds 5, I believe, and then it is XV111-500 NERF rifle. Holds 5 rifle balls. Daddy likes this one. This is like, it's accurate. Like this one. But it's more accurate. And this one you roll from the top. Then this is safety. You can't hold the trigger. And then if you turn it up, that's cool, right? And then this is where the ball shoot. And Daddy liked the blue one, but I liked the white one. But it's okay. But I don't know what these things are for. Let's move to the other one. The Deagle. The Deagle, I'm sorry. This holds 1. I'm sorry we don't have mega lights here, but this is cool. It's almost half a normal Deagle because this is gray, this is black, and it just needs this purple to be painted. And then, yeah. And also, I like this gun, but it just goes down a lot, for Daddy says. Next one was the upper anchor gun, I said, like the KRONOS Bulldog. And then there's a secret button that you can press on this handle. Oh, how do you do this? Okay, but this secret button. Oh, okay. Then you don't need to press the button when you go up. Yeah, and this goes down also. You have to pull it back And then you can hold 3 in here, same as 3 here. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's go to the next one, which is the Roblox. They make different sounds. This one makes, oh. This makes different than this one. But, and also has, this kind of looks like a ray gun. And this is just like a normal revolver. And these are from Jailbreak. And there's a code that you can make, you can have these on Roblox. Now, we have the rough cut. The rough cut holds 1, 2, 4, 8 of them, and it's elite. It's just elite, and then it is white, gray, blue, and light blue, which is very cool. And it's a pump. And guys, it actually shoots 2, and watch this. It actually shoots 2. Now let's move to the next one, which is my hammer shot. Actually turns, but you remember on when I had the Stegosaurus and the Big Shock, I couldn't pull this, but I now can pull it. See? So easier. And it holds 5, more than a QUADROT. And then, let's go move to the next one. Big Shock. Yes, Big Shock. I call it Shock. My dad, when I have a Nerf out, and we go, that one's one in the top 2, and also holds 1 in here, and you have to pull it down. That makes, you remember when I had the Stegosaurus and every side? Yes, I told that. And I said, whoo, whoo. And then I got the Peely. Shows the one I got. Okay, holds 1. Yeah, but it's hard to pull it down because you gotta know thing to make it, like the SPL. I like that, but this, no. Next one, I have Jolt, which is same as that. It's a Jolt Micro, and then I just got What holds 1. Now let's move to the next one, but this is cool. I like this. It's good for your secondary, is the Minecraft Ender Dragon. This was from my Tooth Fairy. And then she was like a late, and she felt bad, so she brought me this. And let's move to the next one. And I like Minecraft, and I like NERF, so. Now, you might remember this. I have now the whole Dino Squad, but when I thought there was one more, and it's here actually. Then it's new actually too. But this holds 3, And then it only shoots one, actually. It doesn't shoot all of them like a rocket launcher. Now, Stega. The Stegosaurus. You might remember this when I had hammer shot and also what did I had? The hammer shot and the big shock. You might remember this was the second one. This is the one I was talking about when I had the Triceratops we thought. And then we have this, holds six of them. This is kind of like the hammer shot, but this is just cool. It's a Velociraptor. It's called Raptor Slash, but in the box it says the Raptor Smash. And yeah, those are all the guns, guys. Thank you for watching, guys, and subscribe and like for more reviews of our Nerf guns. Bye!